Your Honor, in the station, Mr. Wesley Langat told us that he had information concerning organized criminal gangs, group, which are within one homestead within Wanyororo area. Your Honor, he told you that we are going to conduct operation to go and arrest, recover any form of illegal arms and to bring to the station. Your Honor, we proceeded with our search to another bedroom upstairs. Where it was my turn to conduct the search as the last team were watching. And during my search in that bedroom, Your Honor, I picked a pillow from the bed, and during my tracing, I felt some instrument or a solid item inside the pillow. I removed the pillowcase, which after removing, I saw a khaki envelope which had a toy pistol, black in color, and I too handed over to the custodian of the recovery, Mr. Francis Ekiru. Your Honor, this is exactly what I recovered on the inside the pillow. Your Honor, this is what was recovered by PC Karani in a drawer wardrobe.
You confirm that. So your other officers had planted it and left. Then you pretended to go that you are searching. Let me tell you, it is with your conscience. You know you are the one who planted that gun, that tool, and those pieces of cannabis sativa. You know from your mind. You took it there. You were given by Wesley, PCIO, Wesley Langat. And your role was to plant it and the stage manager search. And that's why it doesn't add up. When we interrogate what you did, it doesn't add up completely, Mr. Kennedy.
Your Honor,
okay. Wait for my next question. You failed to answer that question, and silence is consent.
This bit be marked if it has not been produced before another trial or before another court? Yes.
I'm not record.
No, I leave it that.
You all know the reason.
Yes. And he has made enough. Yes. Now, Mr. Witness, as I finish, Your Honor.
You don't want an explanation. My question is very simple. That's how the police officer should work in this country, correct?
No.
Now, what explanation, and I know you're not the IO, would you give for this inordinate and deliberate delay?
Your Honor,
Do you have an explanation to give?
I was not the team.
So was this
on the
incident
team.
recorded anywhere? Any OB that recorded these incidents in Lanet police station? Are you aware of one? At Lanet,